All right, y'all, Rob Anderson here with a quick video on how to replace your side view mirror. This is a 2009 Nissan Altima. It's my daughter's car. Wife was driving the car, had a mailbox. So now we get to go ahead and fix it and replace it. Saw a couple videos just watching before this. One video was showing taking every single thing off of this, taking the whole door apart. We're actually gonna do this a lot faster. Pop this cover off here and get to this portion. So, all right, so we're in the car here. Let's pry this up and out. So gently set this aside, set it on the floor. What this does is that this basically is holding the bulk of the door paneling and everything on. And so by removing that, that actually frees us up to be able to pop off this cover. Going ahead and lower the window just so that way I can actually get in here a bit better and be able to take that off. Super fast, super simple. The other one was showing all this, all these other steps. So you can see we got 3 nuts that we got to take off. We're gonna go and take off. Take that out. Okay. See which tools I have. I gotta go grab a socket real quick and then we'll keep going. All right, so just got a 10mm socket. Take these off. All right, that's out. There is this rubber gasket. We're gonna just check the new one that we have. New one. It's got the new gasket. It's got the covers on it. Take the pieces off. Depending on your model, and I'll link a couple of them in the video, there are several different ones. But literally, just gonna put those in there. That top one on. Put our control module back in. Okay, we got that part done. This one piece came out. I'm trying to set this back a little further. So that's going to end up going right in there. Actually, sorry, that's not where that went. That went up in the top section. So we went ahead and put that back in. Line that up. Line that up. Work our way from the back. Pop this back in. Show you real quick over here. All right, so if you can see right down in here, just this little plastic, but then we just need to pull that up and over. There we go. All right, we got that done. Take our screw. That's gonna be it. You guys don't need to see me put a little plastic piece in, but that's it. Really quick fix. The side view mirror, 20 to 60 bucks depending on what you're getting. If it's heated, but very, very quick install. Again, the other versions of this is removing the entire inside of the door, which is just really excessive. You don't need to mess with that. This one is a black one. So if you decide that you want to go and get a different color, or you want to get it painted afterwards, go for it. But have a great day. See ya.